cloud app, we are going to go over the customer lifecycle of a software as a service customer and the 7 stages for growing your business. The first one is building awareness and letting potential customers know basically that they have a problem and helping them raise awareness of that issue or that pain point in their lives. And then the second step will be qualifying customers, and they'll be doing the same for you. So you'll both be trying to figure out if your product can help them, and that can be done with a demo or any other sort of awareness piece that allows them to see how you can have a solution to their problem. And you'll also be checking to see if you can actually help them, if their problem relates to the product that you have, and if that your product can actually help them with a solution. And then the third step is a customer purchase, and with that there will be different stages where they may not become a customer at that point. And so at that point you'll want to identify how you can improve the first 2 steps of the customer life cycle to make sure that they can move on to the next step, which is onboarding and activating. And here you'll be training and making sure that they are aware of all of the ways that your product can help them, and making sure they know how to use your product. And then step 5 is actually very important and may be overlooked, but it is incredibly important that your customers regularly use your product so that it becomes a habit for them and it becomes part of their life and an ongoing solution. And without that, they're more likely to drop off and not be a customer anymore. And that brings us to our next step, which is renewals. And so without that regular use, you may not get to the renewals phase. But once you get there, the next thing is having your customers refer you to other people and advocate for your product, and having them be a champion for your product. And then from there, you'll start again with those new people of building awareness and going on in the customer life cycle. So we'll go over tips on how to get through that life cycle and how to improve that life cycle, and how you can use Cloud App on several different steps of this process to make the life cycle easier on everyone involved and more effective. And that can be the building awareness step, and the qualifying customers. Sending video demos is a great way to showcase your SaaS product, and you can also use it for reminding them of to use your product in regular use. Onboarding and advocating, especially, tutorials, video tutorials are a great way to show your customers how to use your product, as well as give them a resource to look back on if they forget how to use it or need a refresher. So hopefully this helps you with your life cycle and improving and gaining more customers that way.